How to translate any page on Brave. So if you want to translate any page on your Brave, then Brave itself doesn't currently offer a built-in translation for web pages like some other browsers. However, you can have a couple of options. You can use Brave's right-click context menu. While this doesn't translate the entire page, but it should be helpful for specific sections. You can navigate to the web page you want to translate in Brave and then right-click on the page and then go with Translate to English. Or you'll also have the translation options. You can go with the 3 horizontal lines which will be on the right side, and then you can also choose another language. Go with the drop down and select any other language to which you would like to translate. Or you can also prefer a Brave extension, which is a Google Translate extension. You can go with a new tab and then search for Google Translate extension, and then you will have the Google Translate extension or add-ons on your Brave. You can go and add them, and then you will be able to translate. That's how you can translate a page on Brave. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.